let me have some play around with sports data from Australian Sports Association. Um, these are the variables. As you can see, some of them are continuous numerical variable. Some are categorical variables. Now, if we look at the first column, the sex of people, which is basically the female and male, we don't have any problem. It's two groups, so shouldn't be any problem in comparing two groups with the NZ grapher. But if we want to look at what really happens with different sporting people from different sports, like people from different sports, like the people who are involved with the field or gymnastics or netball. Is there any difference between the percentage body fat index that could cause little problem? I'll show you what I mean by that. If I go for dot and box plot and select percent body fat, well, it's still I didn't select the second variable, but if I go for the second variable, which is different types of sport, what really happens? That creates a problem because there are so many categories and groups. I mean, so many groups. Uh, how do I compare? Let's draw the box plot, number of box plots and dot plots. It will be very difficult to do a level 3 comparison. So in this kind of situation, we can do something. We can recategorize on the basis of two sports on NZ Grapher. But today I'm going to show you actually how we do it on Microsoft Excel, which is to me quite simple. So let's look at the Microsoft Excel. Right. One other thing we need to understand, we can save that Microsoft Excel file into CSV, comma, separated value. And if you look at the save as type, this is not a comma separated value file. So what we need to do is we go for the down arrow and look for not the CSV Macintosh or Microsoft DOS. We are going for, I hope I find it, just a CSV file. That's the one. Comma delimited file, comma delimited file, CSV, comma separated value. That's how we convert it to. Now if we save it, it will be a CSV file which will be user-friendly to NZ Grapher. So one other thing we need to remember once we complete with the full process of recategorizing the data. Now back to that Microsoft Excel, and our task is to, this is already, I separated them into two groups, into field, and I believe that's the basketball group. So that's what I want to create now. Now, if you look at the other one, this one is the original file. And this is the column we are concerned with, and we want to cut it down to two groups. So I select this column, and I can do a little bit of data sorting out or filtering. I can just go for filter, and the moment you clicked on this filter, the down arrow shows up. And now if you click on this, it gives you the option of deselecting all the fields. Now I can only select basketball, and I want to select only two categories, and then OK. That gives me two different groups. Now what I can do, I can simply highlight the thing and copy it into another sheet, or I can make another file. It's better to make a new file and then save it as, remember I talked about the CSV file. Just go for CSV and save save it. That's the file we are talking about, and save it. And that's it. I'll stop there, and I'll show other skills later on. Thank you.